Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, potatoes with sausage and onions. Let's cook. Alright folks, we got a hot skillet. We're going to add some olive oil, some butter, add our sausages. Now we're going to cook these. Alright. I'm going to take our sausages out. Now we're going to add our onions. Alright. Keep on frying these until they're translucent, baby. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Lots more recipes on the way. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of pepper. Now we're going to take the onions out. Add some butter to the pan. Now we're going to add our potatoes. Okay, we're going to add some garlic powder. Onion powder. Some oregano. Some black pepper. And a little bit of salt. As you know, the potatoes soak all this up. And let that cook. I'm going to add some paprika to this also. World Famous Foods. I'm going to go ahead and cover this. Let it cook for a bit. Okay, now we're going to turn our potatoes. Now we're going to season the other side. So we got garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, some paprika, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt. Turn our heat down a little bit more. I'll let this baby cook. All right, folks. Checking our potatoes. Oh yeah. So now we're gonna add our onions. Add our sausage. this all up. Guys trying to jump away there, huh? Okay. They'll cook for a couple more minutes. Okay, folks, let's check. All right. Look at that. World famous sausage, potatoes, and onions in the skillet. Enjoy.